So while I wasn't directly challenged to do this project right here, I was asked the other day if you could make lock and cancel valves using these Aeolian plastic block valves. And my initial response was no. But, I said to myself later on, I said, well, a valve is a block valve is a block valve, and why can't it work, you know? So I set about modifying these two old original Aeolian block valves, which are from the 1970s, late 1960s, early 1970s. In other words, these are 50-year-old block valves, just to see if I could make it work. And of course, on the one block valve, I've got the exhaust going to the bellow, and then I've also got the exhaust side going through. There's a bleed cup right here, and there's a bleed cup right here, and they go into the pouch side. The hard part of the whole project actually was getting rid of the bleed, because of course lock and cancel valves don't have a bleed. The bleed actually comes from the opposite chamber on the opposite side. I'm not going to get into theory about that, but I was actually quite surprised when I got all done building it, and I turned on the pump, and I open that and close it, and it stays open. And I open up the play, and it stays open. And then we go into rewind. It goes into rewind, goes into play, and it goes into play. So, with a little bit of effort, these Aeolian block valves can indeed be modified to make a lock and cancel valve.